Hello my beautiful people, welcome to my channel Makeup and Hair Company, and today's video is going to be super duper simple and it is the most highly requested content on the YouTube itself because this is something very basic and very important for a makeup. And I asked my sister about what kind of makeup she's looking for or what she wants to learn from makeup, like what basics she wants to learn from makeup. Thing that she told me was how to wear an eyeliner. So that is something most of the people struggle with today, and of course there are tons and tons of YouTube videos, but I want to cover something that is actually not mentioned in every video, some of the tips and techniques that might be useful to you. So keep watching and you might find something useful. This has been my staple eyeliner since my childhood, because from my 8th grade I'm wearing my eyeliner from my 8th grade. So I'm just going to use this and show it to you guys. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I've just taken a little bit of the eyeliner, and the first technique that I'm going to teach you guys is the stretching part. So whenever you're applying your eyeliner, be it your liquid eyeliner or gel eyeliner or whatever eyeliner of that cost, just stretch it. So stretching is the first technique that you're supposed to follow. The skin that is present on your eyelids is very stretchy and it's very elastic, right? So, and it's also very loose. So because of that reason, when you're applying your eyeliner, only if you stretch it and you paint it, it will be perfect. Otherwise it's going to be very patchy. So I'm just going to stretch my eyelids, and then before even I stretch, I'm just going to mark a 45-degree line from this point, the point that I'm showing you guys. Mark a 45-degree angle. Okay, so I've just marked this angle. So today I've just made it explicitly lengthy because I just want to show it to you guys. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply connect this. So basically you are focusing on drawing a triangle. So now we have drawn one side. So imagine that you're drawing a triangle. So you've already drawn one side. So imagine this is the other side, and you're left with just one more side to complete. So here I'm going to connect this. So that's it. So what I did was I just drew a line first. So that is the first thing that you're supposed to do, is that I was stretching my eyelids as I was filling it out. So basically all you have to do is just first draw this line and then connect this line with the edge of this line, and then you're simply filling it. So when you're filling it, the most important part is just stretch it and fill it so that you're not left with bald spaces. I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other eye as well. Just eyeball the placement so that you know where you have drawn the line. So I'm just going to eyeball it. Okay, so now that I have drawn my line, I'm just comparing and I'm just checking if the line is perfect. So this is an important step that you're supposed to do. It is all equal, nice and equal, and I'm just going to extend it furthermore. And now, like I said, imagine that you're drawing a triangle and you're done with one side, and imagine this is the other side, that is the other line, and then you're going to connect from here to the edge of this. I want to tell you one other technique for the eyeliner. So when you're facing a mirror, don't just face your mirror like this and do it. So just pull your chin up in this angle. It gives you a good control with your hand and everything. So now I'm going to connect it. So as I'm filling it out, I'm just stretching it to make sure that there are no bald spaces. So as you see, it's even. In case, let's say that you find it uneven, try to correct it up, and don't correct too much, little bit. And yeah, and I'm going for one more coat to make it look nice and dramatic. So that's it. So this is how you wear your eyeliner effortlessly. So that's it for today's video, and thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was very useful to you, and I will meet you guys in another nice video.